So in this video, we'll see how to extract a string from two different lists. So one way of doing that is using zip function, and we'll zip both the list L and L1, and let's say name list L2. Store this inside L2, and now let's check L2. We have a list having the elements of both the list inside a tuple. So we'll do list comprehension of I of 0 plus. So as I can see that the element inside the tuple is in the form of a string, so I can use plus operation there. I of 1 for I in L2. So now if I print L3, just have a list having my name is Rohit, so it makes sense. But now I don't want this in the type of list, I want this in string data type. So I'll use a join function over this list. And we have the